Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make Taiwanese style minced pork using pressure cooker. There's a complete list of instructions and ingredients in the description. You may find crispy fried shallots from Asian grocery stores. Wash and wipe dry the pork. Cut the pork into tiny pieces. Prepare the marinades. Dried mushrooms should be soaked in water for 2 hours, then drain and cut into strips. That's how crispy fried shallots look like. Save 220 grams of mushroom soaking water. Press the sauté button on the pressure cooker. When the pot is heated up, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Sauté ginger and shallots first. Add garlic and pork. Saute. Add wine. Continue to saute. Add mushrooms, then add the crispy fried shallots. Add sauces, white pepper, and the 5 spice powder. Then add the mushroom soaking water. Saute until boiled, then pressure cook for 12 minutes. Naturally release pressure for 10 minutes, then carefully release mesh pressure manually and open the lid. Serve the minced pork with rice, vegetables, and soft-boiled eggs. Enjoy!